Hello guys, it's Dale here with another trading idea. Today it is an intraday trading idea, actually two intraday trading ideas, and both are on Euro British Pound. What you are looking at is a 30-minute chart. That's the chart that I prefer to use for my intraday trading analysis. And what you see before you, that's the Euro Pound and strong downtrend on this pair. When there's a strong downtrend, what I look for is significant volume zones. And in this case, there are two significant volume zones that I really like. Let me show you on the flexible profile like this. So the first heavy volume zone is this volume cluster, which got formed in here in this little rotation within this aggressive sell-off. Now this aggressive sell-off is telling us that there were strong sellers manipulating the price downwards, pushing the price downwards, and those sellers were adding to their short positions in here. This is the volumes which they placed there, right, in this area. So this is an important zone for those sellers because they placed a lot of their shorts there, right? And that important zone begins in here at 0.8455. This is where that volume cluster begins, right? So this is an important zone for those sellers, and when the price makes a pullback at some point in the future to this zone, then it should work as a resistance, as the sellers from this place, should start defending this area. They should become active and they should push the price downwards from there again, right? This is a setup, a volume profile setup, which I call the trend setup because I trade it when there is a trend. I look for significant volumes within a trend, and those volumes work as supports or resistances. So that's for the first resistance, 84.55. Now the second one, this one, is at 84.75, and it is based on a setup which I call the volume accumulation setup. And it is based on those massive volumes which got accumulated in this rotation. Now this rotation took place before the start of this aggressive sell-off. This is telling us that strong institutional players were building up their short positions in here in this rotation. And those are massive shorts because we see how wide the volume profile is in here, right? And from this place, there was the sell-off. And it is the sell-off that's telling us that those were strong sellers in here, right? Because they pushed the price downwards. So now we know that there are strong institutional sellers in here, or that those sellers placed their shorts there. And it is likely that when there's a pullback to this level at some point in the future, then there'll be a reaction, as those sellers will want to defend this zone, which is clearly important for them because they placed a lot of their shorts there. So they'll want to defend this important zone, and that's why it should work as a resistance. All right. So that's the second resistance at 84.75. Now, if you look at first deviation of the VWAP, those are the two gray lines, this one and this one. Those are the first deviations of VWAP. VWAP is this yellow line, and those gray lines, those first deviations, tend to work as strong supports and resistance zones, especially when they are combined with heavy volumes. You can see how nicely the price reacted, for example, in here, or in here, or in here, or in here, to that first deviation, right? The price went past that first deviation, below it, and then every touch was a reaction. So that's how the first deviations of VWAP should work. And this first deviation of the VWAP is heading downwards towards our resistance level. In case that at the time of the pullback, the first deviation is somewhere around the level, then it will strengthen the level. It will make it stronger, right? Because as you can see in here, the price tends to react to the first deviation, especially when you combine that first deviation with heavy volume zone. That's a nice combo, right? Nice combo of volume profile setup and a VWAP setup. Right, so that's about the euro and British pound. If you guys would like to learn more about trading with volume profile, and if you would like to trade alongside me every day, then what I recommend is visiting my website. This is it. This is the website, trader-dale.com. And what I recommend is going to trading course and tools. So you click this button and it will take you to a page. You scroll down a bit. And what I recommend is getting the Elite Pack. There's a video which shows everything that's included in the Elite Pack. In short, the Elite Pack includes 15-hour-long video course on trading with volume profile. It includes my personal trading levels. Those are levels that I trade each day and that I publish in my members area. Those are intraday trading levels as well as swing trading levels. Now the Elite Pack also includes volume profile pack, which is pack of my custom-made volume profile indicators, and also a couple of bonuses. Now at top of that, the Elite Pack also includes free tech support for Elite Pack members, and this means that our team will set up the NinjaTrader 8 platform for you with all my indicators. They will also load up my workspaces that I use. They'll connect you to data feed and they'll do it all for free, as that's part of the service we provide to the Elite Pack members. Alright, so this is what I recommend getting. Currently we are running an Independence Day sale, which means that you can get the Elite Pack 50% discounted. You can get it in here. Alright, so yeah, that's for that. That's for the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll be looking forward to seeing you next time in some next video or in our members area. Until then, happy trading.